Now, in any programming language, to print something on the screen, we have some built-in functions. Built-in function means these functions are already ready inside the programming language. It is built into the programming language. In Python also there are some built-in functions. One of them for typing something on the screen, on your computer screen, the particular built-in function that will be used in Python, that is called print. Like in case of C language, that particular built-in function for printing something on the screen is called printf. Okay, so there are so many function names in Python, that is print function. At first, I'll show you that this is called comment. What is comment? Comment indicates that what you are trying to do with the code. Whenever you are writing anything as comment, we have to give this hash symbol. This hash symbol at the beginning of any line, it indicates that this is Python comment. That means you are instructing the Python interpreter not to execute that particular line. That means do nothing with that line. Simply it will increase the readability of the code. Why? Because whatever coding syntax you will be writing next, that is going to be depicted by this comment line, so that later on in future, whenever you are going to execute that particular program, immediately from the comment line itself you will come to know what is there in the coding. So it is basically giving the increased readability of the code. That is called comment in Python. Okay, so comment can be written as a separate line like this. Also, you can write comment on the line itself where you are writing the code, but definitely with the hash symbol, because without the hash symbol, Python considered that line as a coding syntax. That means it will try to execute that line also. But once it gets that hash symbol at the beginning of anything, then it won't execute that line. Okay. So next we will write print hello world, and because I want this hello world, this particular word to be printed on the screen. As you can see, this is a character, or it is called string in case of Python. String means it's a collection of characters. So what I'm going to do, I'm writing this whole word hello world within quotes to indicate that this is a string. If you write print 5, then it will print 5 number. Then 5 is a number. So print hello world, it is going to print you hello world in front of your screen. Okay. Now once you have written this thing, then you press shift and enter. It is going to be executed. So only one line I have written. This is a simple program. This is your first Python program. Voila, you have done it. Okay. So print hello world. This single line is sufficient to print something on the screen as hello world. Now you see that you can print basically anything. Whenever I'm writing print 99, then 99 will be printed. As you can see, whenever I'll be pressing shift and enter, print 112.9555. This is called floating point number, means because it has got some decimal values. That's why this is called floating point numbers. And whenever you are writing print 112.9555, that means it is going to be printed. Next, I have written print start learning Python programming. This is whole sentence. So it will be giving me at the output start learning Python programming. Print true. What is this true? True is called Boolean. Just like integer, floating point, string, there is another data type. We are shortly will be discussing all the different types of data types very soon. So print true means you are going to print some Boolean variable values and it is going to print you that thing. Print 6 plus 2j. This is a complex number. It has got 6 as the real part and 2j means imaginary part is 2. So simple complex number also you can print on the screen by enclosing it within the print command. So you can understand that print can print anything rather. It can print integer, floating point, string, boolean, complex number like this. Next section, wherever we will be dealing with user input and output, then we are going to discuss with you what are the different options available in print. Okay, so with this I'm concluding my lecture today. Next we are going to see keywords and variables and data types. Okay.